up, y'all? I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this blessed studio, the Jaren M. LaGuerre Studio. Alright, y'all, so this video has been a long time coming, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I stayed away from it because there's always so much banter about how she's singing, how it was recorded, was it pre-recorded, was it not pre-recorded. There's always so much banter about that, and so I stayed away from it because I was like, I just don't want to hear it. I don't want people to comment this all the time if I talk about it, but I'm gonna do this one because it deserves a video. And I'm sure many of you have reacted to this song and stuff like that, but I wanted to put my take on it because it is such a vocally amazing performance, and I put that lightly. So I'm excited to talk about this wonderful artist who I've talked about so many times in this channel, but there's not enough things to say about her. So I want to come back to what I said before about it being pre-recorded, not pre-recorded, things like that. It don't matter. It literally does not matter. It is still her singing. It doesn't matter if it was pre-recorded, it was played, if it was not. That's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about her voice and here to talk about the amazing things that she did with her voice during this song. That's what I'm here to talk about. So don't get in the comments talking about was it pre-recorded, was it not pre-recorded, That's not what we're here to discuss, okay? We're just here to discuss what she's doing, all the amazingness that she is, and all that good stuff. So with that being said, here's my own voice analysis of Miss Whitney Houston singing the Star Spangled Banner.
And now to honor America, especially the brave men and women serving our nation in the Persian Gulf and throughout the world, please join in the singing of our national anthem. The anthem will be followed by a flyover of F-16 jets from the 56th Tactical Training Wing at MacDill Air Force Base and will be performed by the Florida Orchestra under the direction of Maestro Yaha Ling and sung by Grammy Award winner Whitney Houston.
There's such a brightness to her voice here. By the dawn! It's almost like a narrowed vocal tract, very bright, twangy. By the dawns! And she really sings through these vowels so purely, if I can say it like that, or just a very clear and consistent shape. By the dawn's early light. And it's almost like she sings through each and every phoneme. By the dawn's early light. Like that. What's so proud? That proud of proudly had more of a straight note. What so proudly we held. And then she kind of did a run on the held right there at the end. At the twilights. At the twilights. It's at the twilight's last gleaming. So the twilight was more long. At the twilight's last gleaming. And then she adds a little pucker towards the end of last gleaming right there in that line right there. Whose broad stripes and bright stars whose broad stripes, more breathiness, and there's a more heady voice. So right there, she kind of kept a more breathy, kind of light, heady sound, head voicey sound right there. With the little vocal scoops or glissandos. Da, da, da. This performance is very legato and very smooth, especially at the beginning right here. Da, 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 da. Even with the textural vocal color differences that she's doing, there's still so much of a connecting undertone to the vocal line. It just flows. Da, 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 da. Oh, the red, sweet wine. Oh, the red. Little register flip right there. Da, da, da. You see what I'm doing right there? Da, da, da. So the vocal folds change shape. Da, da, da. You hear that little shift? It's that yodel flip. That's like the yodel sound that I keep talking about. Da, 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 da. It's regular. So it gets more brighter, more fuller, more thicker. So it's a big contrast from da 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 and the rock. You see, it's a big contrast. It's more thicker, more fuller on and the rock is regular. So now the vocal line is slower. Oh, say, bum, ba, ba, da, that star-spangled banner yet wave. The vowels are more brighter and more open, if you will. They're just more longer, I guess have more duration, if you will. And the consonants have a more quicker friction to them. So then it gives more dramaticism to the vocal line. It gives more connectivity and legato to the vocal line. And I like how she also kind of flips it to this head voice space when she hits certain vowel shapes, like prove. So it's more of those closed, more of those narrowed or kind of more focused vowel shapes. She'll go into more of a heady space to kind of navigate that. And that's acoustics. You know, that's just how acoustics works and how the voice works with the science of sound. A lot of times switching over to like a heady voice or more closed vowels can help a lot when you sing stuff like this. So she's doing it. And, you know, and I think it was more so artistic decision that she made, but it works, you know, technically too. Yes, sir. Or the land of the free. Another type of vowel that can work in like a head voice, thin fold spot. Or the land of the free. And then she goes up to the high at the end right there. So the word proof is a back, closed vowel. Proof through the night, right? But free is a front closed vowel, I think. So again, these closed vowels can do really well in a head voice, kind of a domey shape. Free, proof, free. You see what I'm saying right there? So she used that to her advantage to really nail that ending right there. How she emphasized bread. So I normally call that a vocal emphasis. So it's bread. Do you hear how I'm jerking my voice a little bit? Bread. It's almost like I'm going down. Do, do, do. That's what she did on the Brave. Brave. So she emphasized on those 3 hits. Brave. Yeah. If you love this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. All right, I love you so much, and I'll see you soon.